Alright, so we've been currently waiting for market here. Sorry, I'm recording. Just being patient here. Kind of want to see this go long here just because of all this low resistance liquidity here, but we'll see what happens. Kind of just waiting to see what we do off this 5-minute gap. Kind of looking at the 1 minute right now, but we also have this 5-minute gap that it used earlier is really small, so it's kind of just wait to see how it plays off this. I would like to see these taken out, but that might not be the case, so we're just gonna have to wait for we're just gonna have to wait to see what price does. And if we also inverse this gap, then we're gonna have to reevaluate. It's just we don't have much gaps here, so you definitely just gotta be patient here, not rushing anything. But I'd feel comfortable maybe trying to short if we're able to break structure here, a 15-minute, but that might be a while, so I don't know. We're gonna have to see. And if we are gonna end up wanting to go short, we're gonna want to probably take it on NASDAQ because it is leading. So we're gonna have to wait to see what happens here. I don't want to get stuck on my bias, but I really do want to see it go long. So we're kind of retracing right now, but what's the hourly looking like? It's just we're in a weird price range right now, so kind of got a mini sweep here. Kind of got a mini sweep here off these lows. We're going higher. I'd like to see us take these, but we're not technically really in equilibrium. I was just kind of measuring out price range. But let's just see. Let's just kind of see what happens here. Let's mark this out as well. Just a little gap here. But yeah, let's kind of see if we're able to reject this in a way or anything. It'd be great. We're kind of still respecting this gap right now, though. We filled it, so this could be good here. Let's see how NQ responds, though. But we're also like this is a nice V shape, so like we're gonna have to see what happens here. We're kind of getting to that time though where we're gonna want to start looking for entries. So let's kind of. What's that 1 minute looking like? Yeah. It's just the draws are not great to the downside. We did kind of feel this. Let's see. Yeah, we did kind of feel that. So, okay, so we are breaking this. Okay, we're breaking past these, so I'd feel probably comfortable wanting to short now, but probably wait a couple more minutes. Well, let's see how this candle closes here in 2 minutes for us to for sure say, but we'll just keep monitoring this. The 1 minute. Let's monitor this. Whoops. Let's monitor this 1 minute gap as well. Yeah, it's a big gap there. Let's kind of see. Let's see how it responds to this. This could be a point where if we're able to fill this and respect it, I may want to take a short to these lows. But if we inverse it, then we did fill it. What about NASDAQ? No, we haven't filled it on NASDAQ yet, so I'd want the trade on NASDAQ because we are closer. Well, we're about... well, we're about to take out session lows right now, so we just didn't really fill it like I wanted, so not really comfortable taking that. What else can we target? Could have realistically... but... we're just so close to a session low. I just... no. Where else would be? Oh, it's okay, Damn, that's a fat dog. Holy shit. Yeah, so this just isn't the best time to enter now because we're at a session low right now. We didn't even touch this gap. I would have felt comfortable entering if I would have, or if we would have filled this gap. Right. Well, yeah, see, we didn't even fill this gap, so I that probably would have been our entry. Sorry. That probably would have been our entry, but I wanted to see it. I wanted to see it get filled on Nasdaq, and we didn't do that. So, um, this probably would have been our scalp entry, but I wouldn't have wanted it on ES either because we're closer on Nasdaq. Um, but somewhere in this area. Hey, all I know is it was nice. I don't even know. It was like kind of by, I don't even know, like that one light, that one stoplight, four-way stoplight. Uh, We finna use this gap or what? What are we doing here? Okay, we'll delete these. Mm. What? Oh. Let's see what we do off this 5 minute. It's just tough because, yeah, I mean, I'm thinking, but I won't try. Can't you even leave it now? Tight, tight. Right, my AirPods going. I'm serious. I don't know if y'all can still hear me. Can y'all still hear me? Yeah? Okay, bye. Alright, well, we do have this V-shaped kind of recovery looking here. Inverse this 1 minute gap. Let's see what we... Uh, uh, let's see what it does here.
Two plus two is 4. Plus 5 is 9.
Potentially gonna get ready to go short here. Don't want to rush in anything right now, though. That's the thing. We're gonna see how this closes. See, we're kind of, if we can respect this. This is a perfect. If we can break structure. Alright, we're in a short here. Let's see how this goes. So we went short here. Kind of just got the retrace we wanted, and this was more of like a 1 minute type scalp, but let's just see how it plays out. We're just going for these internal lows here. If we close here, I'll move stops to break even. Alright, stops are break even. This is a risk-free trade. We'll see what happens here. I'm hoping I didn't move to break even too early. Okay, it stopped me out break even. I mean, we just... Okay, it stopped me out break even. So that's okay, but... This very well might run to my take profit right now. I'm pretty confident in this. I'm debating on entering again, but I don't want to rush or take a dumb trade, so... Okay, so market structure obviously bearish here. We were wanting to take longs originally. All this low resistance liquidity. That ended up not happening. We were kind of respecting this 1 hour gap, filling it. And then we had this big move down. I tried to find a 1 minute entry up here. We filled this gap on ES, but we ended up not doing that on NASDAQ. So... which gap was it? I think it may have been this gap here. Yeah, it was this gap. We didn't fill it on NAS, and that's what I wanted to take it on. And so we would have literally just been targeting session lows plus maybe this low. So we couldn't get an entry there, but overall market structure was pretty bearish. So yeah. And so then for this entry, honestly, was just waiting for a big retrace up into, like, on it, because we didn't even get that much of a retrace here. So I was wanting, and we got this big, deep 5 minute candle here to the upside. So, and we kind of filled this 5 minute gap. So then I was kind of just looking for a 1 minute entry, and oh wow, I just realized I took it on the wrong index as well. Whoops, that's all right though. But we entered here. We just saw it break this 1 minute gap, or inverse this 1 minute gap, so we were able to enter. And then I just kind of waited for this candle, see how it closed, to get a better entry. But yeah, yeah. It looks pretty good that we did break even though, because this looks like it might not play out. So yeah. Yeah, it's getting up here to 920, so that probably, I'll stay on here for a few more minutes, but that'll probably do it for me today. No need to take a stupid trade, so yeah. Unfortunate it didn't catch these shorts, but you know, that's all good, to be honest. We'll stay on here a couple more minutes. What a catch. Let's look at the 5-minute right now. Let's see. Yeah, this doesn't look. This may want to flood through this zone right now. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, because we are kind of getting a sweep right now. Do we get any SMTs or something? No, no SMTs. So yeah, we would have gotten stopped out. So that's good. All right, so now price is probably going to want to come back up. It's going to flood through this zone, like I said, yeah. It's going to want to flood through this zone. Yeah. It's like I want to just press long right now, but we're not going to do that. Yeah, it's doing exactly what I said right now. Alright, well. Yeah, see. Yeah, that closed over 79% as well. So I'd be pretty confident it may want to go up to this high, but it already did technically fill this gap pretty much completely. So yeah, we'll see what happens. All right. Well, anyway, this probably wrap it up here, but yeah, just break even day. So anyway, peace.